We are pleased to show you the 2019 Expedition. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power retractable running boards, perimeter alarm. Inside you'll find smart device integration, trip computer, power tilting steering wheel, tinted glass, cargo net, universal garage door opener, power adjustable pedals, compass. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.